We are giving a child a tree to take care of that tree. After he has left or she has left, the tree will be left with the person behind. Maybe this person was in Form 3. He will leave that tree to Form 1 to take care of the tree. So when we are doing it with the schools, we are so happy that we are happy of the survival of the trees.
They can also adopt a tree, which is a clarion call today. That as part of the efforts, geared towards, increasing maybe the forest cover, and of course, been talking about the weather for a long time.
We are anticipating to plant 1,000 trees, and the county conservator has also graciously granted us 1,000. But for today, we'll plant 500, as we anticipate to plant the other 500 when the rains come.